Imagine this is the road to follow. You can see this is the road to the parsonage that I am going. This is more than new work. It's more than new work. They are unfilling this, or they are reclaiming it with mud. This is still the church. This is the church, the parsonage. This permanent place. Huh? All this. The one I have built. Come. Let him come pay money for my going now. Let him come pay money. The one here. Maybe they never know what. What did really happen with your people? You see the place they sent us. Does it become?
I don't know what to say.
What really happened?
I don't
This
know.
kind of thing. Eh?
The price if you not agree again.
You no agree? Instead how much you want to sell?
1,900. I can sell 2,000 at once now. No, say 2,000. I say 1,900. If you do like a kind of something.
Nah. Nah, do it. Yes, this is my own change. The balance. Thank you very much. Mostly come. Yes, you do well. God bless you. I do well.